We're making a delicious roasted rabbit dish today. Let's get started. Here's the 1.5 to 2 kilograms fresh rabbit. Time to prep the flavorful filling. I have 10 plump garlic cloves that I'll finely chop up. The aroma of the fresh garlic is making my mouth water already. With my knife, I'll carefully poke some holes all over the rabbit's body. This will allow the garlic to really soak into the meat as it cooks. I'll take the chopped garlic and stuff it deep into those holes, making sure to get it in every nook and cranny. Now for the marinade rub. In a bowl, I'm measuring out 12 grams of salt and 2 grams of ground black pepper. To that, I'll add some fresh rosemary sprigs that I've cut from the stem, a few good glugs of olive oil, about 5 tablespoons. We'll bring it all together. I'll take this fragrant marinade mixture and rub it all over the outside of the rabbit, making sure to get it into all the nooks and crannies. I'll also rub some of it inside the rabbit, so every bite is infused with flavor. All right, time to let the rabbit marinate. I'll pop it into the fridge for a full 2 hours, so all those flavors can really meld and soak in. After the marinating is done, I'll take the rabbit out and place it in a baking tray. I'll cut a lemon in half and place the 2 halves around the rabbit. For even more herbal notes, I'm adding 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Now, I'll take a whole head of garlic, cut it in half, and place both halves in the tray alongside our rabbit. To add some moisture and acidity, I'll pour 1 full cup of dry white wine over the rabbit. The dry white wine will help keep it juicy while adding a subtle depth of flavor as it roasts. If you're not keen on using wine in your cooking, feel free to skip it. The dish will still be delicious. Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear which version you preferred. I still recommend using wine in this dish though. Now it's time to get this rabbit in the oven. I'll roast it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 1.5 to 2 hours, basting it with the pan juices every 30 minutes so it stays nice and moist. After about an hour and a half to 2 hours, the rabbit should be perfectly cooked through. I put a lot of effort into making these videos on my own to make them helpful and valuable for you. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to support my channel. See you in the next video.